welcome back to PhatKid Garage. In today's episode, we're going to be installing a Maker's Garage carbon fiber chin spoiler for the 91 to 93 Mustang. This one's actually going on my buddy's 93 Mustang LX coupe, and I figured I'd take you along for the ride to show you the install and how it looks in the end. So, I've never installed one of these personally, but I have seen them online. They look pretty good. So, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Interesting way to do the instructions, but I guess if it works. By the instructions, looks fairly simple. Taping it off, doing an initial setup, making sure your gaps are right, making sure that your alignment's right with the edge of the fenders. It actually comes with the clips. Looks like there's quite a bit of hardware that you have to install to make sure it's pretty sturdy. And yeah, looks pretty straightforward. Alright, check that out. Looks like a pretty nice carbon weave. No issues initially. I don't know if that camera's picking that up, but it does look like a nice carbon weave. Let's go ahead and get the car prepped up and get it started. All right, so we got the initial test fit up. And I'll show you guys here in a sec what I had to do with this particular car, but as far as a test fit, it looks really good. It comes with these little clamps here. I don't know if it's gonna focus on those. Yep, right there, right there. Same thing over here. What I had to do on this particular car is this aluminum bracket. This bumper had a sag in it. You can kind of still see a little gap, but this bumper was sagging pretty good and it put a really big gap through here. So I went ahead and built this little aluminum bracket, attached it to the core support, and bent it to the angle it needed to be to bring the bumper back up to where it's supposed to be. But I think overall, it's a pretty good fit for the test fit. I'll go ahead and mark the holes out and get them drilled in. And I don't know if you guys have seen this car before, but it does have a carbon fiber hood on it too. So I think that this chin spoiler is going to go ahead and accent that pretty good. So let's go ahead and get everything marked and get it drilled. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a white marker. Push it up until it touches the bumper. Okay, good. Do make sure that this thing is sitting exactly where you want it before you drill the holes, because the last thing you want is a crooked chin spoiler. Do the same here. like we got them all marked. Let's go ahead and get them drilled. Go ahead and start by taking it down. Since it's a rubber bumper, I'm just going to go ahead and use a small unit bit to get these drilled. This one right here is right on the edge, so I may leave that one out for right now until I see how it fits. And if I need to put it in, I'll go ahead and re-drill it. Okay, let's get the hardware attached to the chin spoiler. So on these clips, you want to make sure to install the flat up. Otherwise you'll have an unwanted gap. Alright, with that hardware installed, let's go ahead and get it back on the car with the supplied temporary clips and get the nuts in. As you can see, it's all hardware's in. Fits really nice. I wasn't able to put the one screw here in because there wasn't enough meat behind it to drill it. But other than that, everything else fit really nice. Fit and finish is actually really, really good. I'm going to go ahead and lower the car so we can kind of see what it looks like on the ground, but I would say all in all, if this is what you're looking for on your Mustang LX, it definitely has my thumbs up as far as fit and finish and ease of install. Alright, so that should just about wrap it up for this episode of PhatKid Garage. Again, I'm really happy with the way that Maker's Garage chin spoiler fit, finish, everything about it. The quality is top notch, so if that's what you guys are looking for to do to your 87 to 93 Mustang LX, I definitely highly recommend that Maker's Garage piece. So stay tuned for a lot more work we're getting ready to do on this Mustang coupe behind me. We're doing a mini tub. We're going to narrow the axle. There's so much we got to finish on this car. It does run and drive, but It's just a little fit and finish stuff, and the biggest part's gonna be the mini tub. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna get started on this week and look forward to doing the videos with you. Stay tuned. I'm out.